Good morning, everyone. It's really very early actually. It's like after 6:30, but we are at Glasgow Airport and fingers crossed we are going to Florida. We have negative test results.
Yep.
Nothing can hopefully go wrong. Let's not say that, knock on wood. So yeah, we're flying from Glasgow, so small airport, so we shouldn't have any of the queues or problems in that sense. So hopefully all will be fine. Hopefully. We've not, well, you didn't fly that long ago. You flew like last week. I haven't flown since we went to Florida in 2020. We'll keep you posted anyway because you guys are coming along with us. We made it to the airport.
Yes.
And it is empty.
Luckily there's no queue at security, it took 2 minutes.
Sailed through.
Check-in did take about an hour.
But there was only a few deaths on, wasn't there?
So much better
okay.
than all the horror stories in Manchester and Gatwick.
And it's quite spacious, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think
there's
that's
not
good.
many people around.
So we're through, fingers crossed. It's all going to plan so far. So we've made it to Florida in one piece. The airport, which is Melbourne Airport, is directly behind us, and we are on the coach ready to go to our hotel, which is not Disney.
No.
So we finally made it.
Yes.
All sorted. So we flew into Melbourne Airport, got on the TUI transfer to Rosen Inn, Lake Buena Vista, which is where we are now, and it was all quite simple really, very straightforward, particularly compared to all that's going on in the UK at the minute when you're hearing things about Manchester Airport and is it Gatwick or Heathrow, one or the other. We really sailed through Edinburgh, and even at this
Glasgow.
end. Yeah, we did, sorry. Awkward. Yes, Glasgow, very nice airport. And then this end was fine as well. Slightly strange, so you come off the plane, grab your bags, and then go through immigration. So it's backwards to Sanford and Orlando International.
And it only took 10 minutes as opposed to the hour and a half at Orlando.
And when he says it took 10 minutes, it took 10 minutes to the letter, because he was like, I bet this takes 10 minutes, and I timed it and it was on the nose, 10 minutes. So yes, it took us 10 minutes, and the drive was, I don't think the drive was,
Just over
they said an hour and 20, but it wasn't, it was less, so we made good timing. Anyway, the room was fine. Our check-in was really simple as well. They were quite pleasant, weren't they? We were done really quickly, very smooth. I'm sure we'll do a bit of a resort tour or show you bits of the resort over the 2 weeks, but we'll flip the camera in a minute and show you the room. So you come in through the door. It's quite similar to, I guess, the moderate and value resorts at Disney that we've stayed in. So we've got a chair, we've got 2 big beds and a light. This is the map of the resort that they gave us at check-in, and then you've got a key card to be able to get into the room. Travel day outfit, please bear with. So we have a desk, chair, there's a trash can and a mirror. That's the door to the entrance, and then you've got a big window, that's the view to the pool, and that's the aircon unit, I guess. I guess it would heat if you needed it to. Massive TV, 2 drawers, a wardrobe, I believe, we have a safe here in between the beds, and then I think there's charging sockets on the alarm clock and on the lamp and the phone. Then you've got sliding doors to go through, here again, some sort of coffee machine with bits and amenities to do with that. We have a microwave and a fridge. So that's for your storage. Then we have a sink, mirror, hairdryer, spare toilet roll and some more towels. They did give us some toiletries because I was a bit like, I'm not sure whether we would get anything, but there's shampoo, conditioner and a soap. Then you come through the door to the bathroom, toilet, another soap, bath and a shower. So very similar to Coronado or wherever we stayed, isn't it? Or even the value one. So yeah, very nice. So we've come out from the hotel. We're attempting to walk to Springs, but it is still hot. the perk of this flight, we got to the hotel at what? Just after 5? Just after 4? When normally it's been like 6, 7 that we've arrived, so been here earlier. We've come out for a walk. So we're attempting to walk to Springs to get some food. We're not doing bad time-wise at the minute. So that was the Disney sign, obviously. And that took us what, 10?
10 minutes or something.
Yeah, so that's okay. And there's been lots of, we've passed Starbucks, we've passed Denny's, Olive Garden, Burger King, IHOP. We've got plenty of choices. Oh, yeah, the steakhouse, Angus Steakhouse. Yeah, so we think we're not really in a bad location at all at the minute. But yeah, we're just going to see how long this stretch takes us to get to Springs, and then hopefully get something to eat because I'm hungry now. So it's a bit later on. Not actually that much later on, but we're getting very tired.
Yeah.
I'm in PJs already. And it's like 8:30.
Yes.
We might just make it to 9 before we're zonked, but we thought we'd call it an early night. And then we maybe will rope drop tomorrow because we might be up stupidly early, but we're just gonna play it by ear. This whole trip is about winging it. We've got no idea what we're doing, so you come along for the ride anyway, but we'll fill it in tomorrow with plans. But we've done not too bad for a travel day filming wise. Normally we're terrible, but today we have taken some footage, so hopefully this will make a vlog. But the next ones I'm sure will be much more magical because they'll feature Disney. So stick around for us. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of the magic. See you soon. Bye.